Hey you, I'm Sarah Turner. I'm a freelance medical copywriter and copywriting mentor. And today I want to talk to you about how to use LinkedIn like a boss. Because when you use it right, you can have high paying clients coming to you. Okay, I want to show you Wendy Pixby's LinkedIn profile because she absolutely crushes the LinkedIn game. She is a copywriter and in the vacation rental space, and she just does a great job of nailing all of these points. So the big mistake people make when they're doing their LinkedIn is they set it up like a resume. The best thing to do is to really set it up like a landing page or a sales page. Add a casual, friendly photo. It does not need to be stuffy and like a headshot where you're wearing a suit. Another thing people tend to think that they have to do. Really, people want to see that you're a real human and you're relatable, so don't worry too much about that. Then you can brand yourself with a banner, and you can use Canva to do that. Wendy did such a great job doing that. It's just beautiful, and it says get more bookings, online marketing expert for real estate, property management, and vacation home rentals. Has her website and her email. So it's super easy to see exactly who she serves and how to get in touch with her. And then you want to make sure that you have an attention grabbing headline, right? So you say exactly who you are and what you do here. So she's an online marketing and social media specialist. Make sure that you are clearly defining what you do. Then you want to do your about section and just be confident and be human and assertive. Make sure that you outline what it is that you are going to deliver for your ideal client. This is not a job interview and not a resume, and that is where a lot of people make the mistake when they're building their LinkedIn profile. So here she is, she's saying, I create high quality content for the vacation rental industry that earns trust and respect with your guests and homeowners. I write blogs, emails, landing pages, property descriptions, travel guides, social media posts, and website copy. I also offer social media management packages. If you want to up your game by increasing traffic to your vacation rental site, I can help. I prefer to work with vacation rental managers who are dynamic, forward-thinking, and understand the importance of online marketing, and don't want to put all their eggs in the OTA basket. So here, not only is she using words, I got kind of hung up on the OTA because I'm sure it's an industry-specific, acronym, but she also is saying, here are the kinds of people I like to work with. And that is a really important part of this process. She is showcasing her work, and she is saying, I get to choose who I work with. So she's really, really communicating that she's not an employee. Another thing is you can have your, previous experience right here, vacation rental content marketing specialist, copywriter, office manager, accounting administrations of Rent Key Vacations. But the other thing that you can keep in mind here is it doesn't have to be if you don't have work that is relevant, you don't really need to stress about that too much because people generally aren't going to take the time to really dig into your background. Again, this is if you are establishing yourself as a business owner, copywriter, and not as an employee. So then the next thing you want to do is to slowly make connections with people. And don't go crazy with this because LinkedIn will lock you out. But you can see here that she has over 500 connections. And the way you do that is you just search in the search bar for people in your industry using keywords and slowly reach out to them over time. Definitely hit them up with a little message. It's like, hey, I saw we were in the same industry, so that it doesn't feel spammy. The other thing is I cannot emphasize this enough. Be really careful about how many connections you make, how quickly, because LinkedIn will lock you out. Then you want to start sharing content. And you can see here that Wendy does a really great job. She shares directly from her website, which will also send traffic to her website and increase her or boost her SEO. So she is writing content regularly and sharing it on LinkedIn. And because she has built up her connections within her industry, they're going to get in front of the eyes of people who would be interested in this and interested in working with her. You'll also see that she shares other people's work. She has activity. She has people following her. She's using this to establish herself as an authority. And she is really crushing it. And then make sure that you like and comment. Again, looking at her activity, you can see that she is engaging with other people in her industry And, that just will help people as they see your name come up over and over again. It'll keep you top of mind so that they see that you're really involved in your industry and you know what you're talking about. So thanks so much. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.